Hello, hi. My name is Fiona Kamal, and I shall be your trainer or instructor for this particular course. So, the title of this course is Data Analytics and Business Intelligence for Beginners and for a Non Technical Audience. So analytics, more times than not, you may hear people talking about programming languages and whatnot, but for this particular course, we shall not be going into that. We shall be looking to take advantage of free, open source, simple tools that will allow anyone who's just a beginner or someone who does not have the technical capacity to do analytics with a programming language. This course should be able to talk to you, and at the end of it, you will be able to do or perform some analytics. And even with the free tools, for example, Google Sheets and Google Looker Studio, you can then be able to perform some analytics and some business intelligence to be able to derive more information, or rather derive recommendations based on data. So this is going to be a very simple, straightforward class. It does not require any prerequisites in terms of you don't need to know much prior to. We shall also be using free tools, free open source simple tools such as Google Sheets, Google Looker Studio. We are going to touch on Tableau and Power BI. However, that will be more towards the end of it. But majorly, we shall be using the free open source simple tools that is Google Sheets and Google Looker Studio. So at the end of this course, it is expected that a beginner to data analytics, anyone who's just interested in what data analytics and business intelligence is, as well as anyone who does not have the technical capacity to be able to do analytics from a programming side, you should be able to have understood the very basics of what data analytics and business intelligence are and how you can be able to apply them using simple open source tools. So that's that. Let's get into it.